So here we have the Audi Q2 on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase the space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I said, we'll run through some of the controls, but now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. It'll also show you what gear the car is in. It's an automatic, so we're in park at the moment, of course. Over on the right-hand side, we have the speedometer for the car. And in the centre, and across the whole section, you can, of course, see the satellite navigation being displayed. You can change the information that's displayed here. There are various different menus available, as you can see, so you can have a far more conventional view should you wish to. And that is all changed using the buttons just here. You can also see the total miles for the car. They are 37,131. And then over on the right hand side here, we have our stereo and phone controls. We have cruise control and speed limiter underneath to the left. And in the center, the main screen for the car. So we're on the home screen at the moment, the main menu. All of the movement that I'm making, I'm doing so using this dial just here. And the collection of buttons that surround it. So for example, if you wanted to go into your radio, you could push this button up. We will then be in the radio menu. You can then see this car's got FM, DAB and AM radio. We can come back a page to the main menu and access our media. This is where you listen to your own music. Plenty of ways of doing that, as you can see. CD player, we've got USB input, auxiliary input, Bluetooth audio. So once you paired your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. You pair your phone under the telephone heading, of course, and you can make various adjustments to your sound. You can access your map. I mean, all very, very clearly labeled on that screen. Working our way down, you can change the drive select of the car. So you're able to put the vehicle into dynamic, individual, efficiency, comfort or auto. Auto is where the car decides for you based on the road conditions. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. You can turn your parking sensors on and off from here. Traction control on and off, the main screen on and off, and of course your hazard warning lights as well. Underneath that we have air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed and the direction of the air. You can turn your air conditioning off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set here. We have a 12-volt charging socket, USB input, 2 cup holders, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.